Yes, we will start now. All must be. Yeah, Joshika, get ready now. You can open your maths classwork note and write today's date in a new page. Now just don't write anything, children. You just write the heading, kinds of lines. Don't write plain and solid shapes. You just write the heading, kinds of lines. We are going to do it in your classwork note today, kinds of lines. Just write the heading on the first line. This is your notebook. So you must see how we are doing here. Same way you have to do it. Kinds of lines. Now leave a line, write A in the margin, write horizontal line. You can do cursive. You can do cursive handwriting.
Ma'am.
Who's this?
Ma'am, Alan.
Yes, Alan, tell me.
Ma'am, did you write a lesson 8 and...
No need. No need. Already you wrote yesterday plain shapes. I just want to show you that. So don't write lesson 8. Just write kinds of lines heading.
Yes, ma'am.
Because we wrote yesterday plain shapes. That's enough. Okay. Kinds of lines. Write today's date in the margin. 28. And write number 1. Kinds of lines. Leave a line. This is your maths classwork note. Exactly like that. Leave a line, a horizontal line. Horizontal line. HORIZONTALLINE. See, you take like this. You can take 3 or 4 squares and draw. It's a sleeping line. See the red one. Take out your scale and draw a straight line. Don't write slanting. Yes. Horizontal line. Next line. You just see that they are not leaving. We are not leaving any line. Horizontal line. Draw a line. Yes. John, did you draw horizontal line, John? When I call your name, at once you are coming from your dream. Do it neatly, John. I cannot see you every time. Please listen to the teacher. You write horizontal line. Next line, you just keep your scale, draw a straight line. It should be straight, no crooked line, no slanting line. Whenever I see you, you are just dreaming and sitting. Please be alert, John. You're a good boy. You're doing everything. I think little lazy in writing. Don't do it. Now, see number. Leave a line after drawing the line. Leave a line after drawing the line. How it's done on the screen. Please see. Horizontal line. Leave a line. B. Leave a line. B. Vertical line. When I say this, you have to Tell in your mind. Vertical, vertical line. Vertical, vertical line. Yes. Now, you must not draw as you like. To save the space, see here, just draw next to that, leave 2 squares, 1 straight line. Vertical line. Come on. So you take only 3 columns or 2 columns, no problem. Don't draw very big line. See the red line drawn over there? Vertical line. Now, who's this now? Now, children, I told you many times, if you want to join the meeting, that is joining the class, you have to use school ID. Please tell your parents. Those who are coming in between. Not you, not John. You don't look at your father or mother. You do your work. Some are going on asking me to join. I will not allow them because they have to join through school ID, student's ID. Okay, now. Did you draw vertical line? Did you draw horizontal line first? Jeff, did you draw both the lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now you have to see whether you have space. If you don't have space, you have to go to the next page. No need to ask ma'am.
Okay,
Now, everybody finished drawing this kinds of lines. Roman number 1. A horizontal line, sleeping line you have drawn. Those who did not draw, you have to go back to the recording and do it. Now, B, vertical line, standing line, S-T-A-N-D. Now, we'll go to the next one. It is slanting line. Look here, slanting. Look at the screen. You can go to the next page on the first line, C. Slanting line. Slanting line. Just draw slanting like this. Slanting line. 1, 2, 3. See how it's no crooked line, children. Whatever you draw, use your scale. Horlicks. Slanting line. Now see, another line just cross also, it will be here. You draw one more line next to that. You can write on the same square. Slanting line. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G. After drawing the line, leave a line and write D. See here, after drawing the first slanting line, leave a line. Not that after writing slanting line. After drawing the slanting line, leave a line, curved line. D, curved line. Hope you know what I'm telling, and all the cameras are all. Jane, did you draw, Jane? I know, I'm just going to minus 2 marks for your maths internals. Only those who are switching on the camera, you will get 10 marks. Now,
I'm waiting, ma'am.
who's waiting for what? Who's that? Who said I'm waiting? I just came back to the screen now.
Jane.
Jane, what happened? Have you completed, Jane?
Yes, I started.
No, but you must not. Okay. You must not turn off your camera, okay? Because ma'am wants to know what you're doing. Now see your curved line. You just make a curved line. Okay, good, good, Jane. Turn off your mic. Curved line. Curved line. CURVED, curved.
Ma'am, I cannot do like this.
You cannot do anyway, you just do one curve. You have to do not like this, you just draw. When you draw a line without scale, that only is curved line. Please do it. Exactly like this, you have to write. Curved line, but cursive. And put 2 dots. And one more. See that? വേണ്ട ഞാനും വരും എന്ത് അവിടെ കറണ്ട് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ കറണ്ട് ഉണ്ടാവും ടെസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട് എനിക്ക് 3:30 to 4:30 അന്ന് മമ്മി ആ സമയം നമുക്ക് അങ്ങോട്ട് പോവാം അല്ല അവിടെ പോയാൽ നെറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല ഞാൻ വിളിച്ചു പറയാം പക്ഷെ അതിന് നെറ്റിന്റെ പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടാവില്ല അവിടെ മമ്മിക്ക് 2 മണിക്ക് ചിലപ്പോ വന്നാലോ curved line. Now see here, leave a line after drawing curved line, leave a line, zigzag line, zigzag line. Z-I-G, Z-A-G, zigzag. See how neatly it's drawn? You use your scale to draw. I just want to know who's this. Write fast, draw fast after writing zigzag. Don't talk. Papa drinking. No, Papa. Good boy. Now, yes. Have you done, children? Joshika, did you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we'll go to the next one. Parallel. PA. After drawing zigzag line, leave a line. PARALLEL LINES. Parallel. See here how to draw two lines. Exactly two lines. Two red lines you see. No current. Parallel lines. Parallel lines. Excuse me, yes. Children, draw two lines. Parallel. One line is parallel to the other one. Why all these children? I know. Sai Vasavi, what happened to your camera? Sanjay, Alan. What do you want, Alan? Talking to Angel now? Yes?
Ma'am, I can't. My camera on only, ma'am.
Okay, I cannot see. Must be now. Okay, let it be. Do it, do it. That's all. Did you draw parallel lines now? Sanjay Krishna, did you draw parallel? Because when I cannot see. Other children I can see. Sanjay, Sai Vasavi, I cannot see. Tridib, I cannot see. John, now he's coming. What are you showing, John? Keep your notebook down. Misty, did you draw? Joshika, don't talk to your mother. Don't talk. Keep your maths note open. Yes. Now, Kylina, did you draw? See, each one must be, I don't know, like.
Ma'am, I drawed, ma'am.
Not drawed, I drew. I wrote parallel lines and I drew parallel lines. Now, intersecting. That is not for you to learn, but still you must know when you go to higher class. See how it's like cross. Just draw like this. Intersecting lines. Just write. Listen, 1 minute. 1 minute. If there is no space to write, place or space, go to the next page. Don't say I don't have space. You must know that you don't have space and you have to write. Okay. Right. Come on. Intersecting lines. How it's cross line. Intersecting. See the midpoint there. Actually, it's not necessary for you, but you must know. Intersecting lines. You draw neatly. Two squares you have to leave. One square down. Do it. Wait. Sure. Jaya. Intersecting lines. Yeah. No, don't worry about this. Have you done all these, children, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now wait, children. Now, I told you yesterday, we will draw the shapes again in classwork note, because with the square it will be easy for you to draw. Understood? Yesterday we just drew simply, like each one will be different figure. Now we will do it. Hope everybody would have finished this. Come on. John, did you draw and did you write? Everyone finished drawing?
Yes, ma'am, I draw and I
wrote
and I drew.
Very good. Now, take a new page. Now, looking at the screen, you have to count the square and draw the figures neatly, because for test, we will ask you to draw the figures. So, you have to draw in your maths note. So, we will teach you now how to draw. Okay, children? Take a new page, write today's date. Take a new page. Now, see ya. It's very nice now. See ya, children. No, just see plain shapes. Write the heading. Already you drew yesterday without any measurement. Now, draw plain shape slowly, because you have to draw for your test like this in your maths test note. So you must know how many squares to take. Now see your plain shapes without leaving a line, a square, and see how it's drawn. Look at the picture. 1, 2, 3. 9 columns they have taken to draw a square. Please do it neatly. Yes. Slowly, neatly. There should not be any curve. You must do it properly. Draw neatly. Wait, let everybody finish. I will give the next one.
Ma'am, I'm not finished, ma'am.
Please do it. Who's this? John? No. Who's that? I'll have to come back now. This is why. Children, those who finish, don't tell. I'll just give them. It's very easy now. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 columns. Now we'll go to the next one. After drawing the first picture, you can draw only 2 in a page. Write B, rectangle. Don't write the heading again. Okay, don't write the heading again. Please write B, rectangle. And see, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns straight line, and vertical 2 columns. So it looks like a rectangle. Straight, you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. And standing, you have to take 2 squares. Hope you'd have done this, and all the corners should be proper. There should not be any line just peeping out. All the corners draw neatly. That's what we are having, the 4-line rule. Square notebook, easy for you to draw. Now, Kailina, did you finish? Then I can go to the next one. Now, yes, Kailina, did you draw the rectangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll go to the next one. If no place, you have to go only 2 figures in one page. Now for the triangle, take another page. See triangle on the first line. Triangle. TRI. See children, after triangle, 1, 2, 3. 3 columns leave and draw exactly like this, neatly. I don't want any crooked triangle. See how it's drawn here, same way. Triangle. Neat work it should be.
Ma'am, I draw and ma'am, I wrote and
No, let me know who's this.
John, ma'am.
John, you are not supposed to talk in between. I will call one child. I will now see how you saw now. All are talking. I will call one person to see whether they finished. See now all will turn on and they'll talk. I don't want this kind of thing. Okay, I will call one child. If a child tells they finished, I will go to the next. Okay, John, don't do it. Good boy. Now, next one. Let me see whether you can do it. Yeah, circle. For circle, you write it and you can draw later. Taking one nice object, you can draw later. No need to color now. Circle. Because when you color it, it looks like a sphere. Okay. Just write E circle. You can draw the circle later, children. And please only write circle. And there is no space. Leave some space and write oval. You can do it. 1 minute. You can do it later. Circle you write, children, and leave 5 squares and write oval. If there is no space, write in the next page oval. See here, oval. You can sit and draw neatly later. Okay, children.
Ma'am, I used the coin, ma'am.
A coin is too small. Okay, no problem. You can use a bangle because it must look nice. Like, okay, now don't talk in between. I told you. See the object here, quite big, and see here, circle. Now, children, write oval F. Don't draw it now. You take your own time and leave the class. Get ready for the next class. I told you have to be fast to come in, and please get ready for the next class for EVS. Okay, children, now no need to say thank you. just leave the class.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
I'm telling, don't say thank you now.
ये वीडियो
Now,
बस
keep,
बस तुम बोलो